Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Facebook location setting. Before we get started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. Now there's two ways to access this page. The first way is going to the bottom right hand corner of your Facebook homepage and clicking those three small lines. From here, you're gonna scroll down to where it says Settings and Privacy and click on that. Once you're in Settings, you're gonna scroll down to Privacy and click the Privacy Shortcuts option. Now you're going to click on Manage Location Settings and tap on Go to Device Setting. Tap iOS Settings. So if you click the first option, location, it will give you the option to set it to never, ask next time, while using the app. I usually just press while using the app, so it doesn't use any location services when I'm not using the app. Now the second way to get your location is just going to the home page of your settings page and then scrolling down to privacy and clicking on that. And from here, you're going to click on Location Services. And then you're going to scroll down to where it says Facebook. Click on that, and it will bring you back to that location access page. If you found this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.